All right, this is a desk cleaning lot that I am going to put on eBay. We got some silver. This is a nice little Canadian stuff. This is Franklin Mint. It's sterling silver. Foreign currency, got some copper 1 ounces, some whatever that is. Couple coins, little V nickel, error penny. 1 ounce Liberty, $2.35 in Buffalo nickels. I don't search these things. These are just as they come into my shop, I buy them. Got a couple dollars worth of silver certificates, some foreign currency. These are 1943 steel pennies. On the wheat pennies, I just weighed the bag. It's 2,000 grams of wheat pennies. They're not searched. I don't go through them. I bought them in a big deal. This stuff has just been taking up room in my desk, so I'm going to list it.